Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resell tickets on Ticketek. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketek web application, which of course I've done here. And next, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account on Ticketek. Launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar, type ticketek.com. Now that's going to take you to the official website for Ticketek. In there, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your own account. And once you're done creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketek. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to resell tickets on Ticketek. Now you can resell tickets on Ticketek right here in the Ticketek website, but you can do that in the Ticketek marketplace, which is where I'm going to take you in the few. So if you're no longer able to attend an event you have purchased tickets for via Ticketek, you may wish to try selling them on Ticketek Marketplace. Now check out the Ticketek Marketplace site to see if this may be an option for you. Now there are a lot of things that you need to know. Please note, not all events can be sold on Ticketek Marketplace. And if you choose not to sell your tickets via Ticketek Marketplace, it should only be listed for no more than 10% above the face value of the tickets. And if not using Ticketek Marketplace, please also consider below. So there are other options. You must consider any special conditions in your ticket. For example, so ticket types may be collection only or name on the ticket. Now check your event page for details, and we will not offer exceptions outside of these conditions, and you may need to be present for entry. And some events are considered a declared event and covered by legislation where tickets cannot be unsold. And there is no suspicious purchase activity in your account. So if you have unsold your unwanted ticket via third party, it's important to remember that the cardholder who made the purchase with Ticketek remains the owner of the ticket. So let's head over to Ticketek Marketplace to see. All right, so that's Ticketek Marketplace site to see how we can resell. Of course, haven't gone through all of those conditions. So this is the marketplace. It says, okay, enter the code from the picture to confirm that you're not a robot. All right. It is 10. All right. Okay. Thank you. So this is already opening up. All right. It should be in the site. So that was the lounge. Awesome. Sweet interface. So here's it. This is the Ticketek Marketplace. So here it says search for an artist and event, and then or sell your tickets. So go ahead and click on sell your tickets. And once you click on sell your ticket, you can see for the options, you can see for the prompts that you can definitely pull through with, and your tickets will be up for sale. Of course, haven't met all of the conditions. Okay. So you have to log in. So you have to ensure that you have your login details available so you can have access to the marketplace. So we're back to this. So sell your tickets, and let's see. So you sit tight for processing your request. So here, of course, for processes, your ticket, set price, and then your details and review. So once you get this place now, I do not have any ticket I want to sell. But if you have tickets or you've placed an order that you want to sell, you can see them here. So select it, and then next thing is set price. Select the price and then add your details. Just follow the on-screen prompts, fill out all the forms, and then head over to review. Once you head over to review, you'll be good to go. Now this is just pretty much it. Go over to Tara from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.